Hello, I'm Chad from Turner Hastings, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the soft close seat on the Claremont toilet pan. With this, you're going to receive the fixing kit, an Allen key and a small wrench, plus the soft close seat. To start off with, you need to install these, so you're just going to pop it through like that. Both these, and next you need to tighten these up, so it might take a while to tighten up. You just have to put pressure on them and tighten them by hand is probably the best way. Alright, once you've tightened these up by hand, you still want them a little bit loose, just so you can, the seat is adjustable. Next thing you're going to want to do is untighten these grub screws here. So obviously, so the grub screw is not inside the hole. Next is might take a little bit, but just have to sort of push this on to the there like so. Right, now that that's on, you can fold this down. Sort of adjust it to where it needs to be, make sure it's flush with the pan. Next you're going to take this off. Keep tightening these just so so. Stick that back on there. And grab your Allen screw, key, and just simply tighten these up here. Full softening. Now you have installed your soft close seat on your Claremont pen.